AC Repair, Kingsport Estates. Are you searching for air conditioning repair service that you can actually trust in Kingsport Estates? All Services Air Conditioning has been supplying Raving Fan Service in South Florida since 1990. That's a long time. What do we mean by Raving Fan Service? Well, you can read our Google reviews to get an idea. If you're not watching this video from our website, click the link below the video to navigate to our site where you can read our customer reviews from our Google business page, where you will readily see that our reputation for honest, professional, and friendly service precedes us. And check this out. All Services Air Conditioning also happens to be home of the lowest AC repair price guarantee. Here's how it works. Get a written price quote from a local, state of Florida licensed AC repair company and present it to us. We will not only meet that price, we will beat it by a whopping 18%. Yes, you heard that right. We will beat their low price by 18%. All Services Air Conditioning is licensed and insured and ready to help you get your cold on. Call us now at 954-749-0800. You'll be glad you did. 954-749-0800. Call now.